we are going to discuss about MAC control. It means media access control. So what is the purpose of MAC controller? It gives us to find the exact system in a network. Once a network is identified by the IP address. Okay. The structure of MAC address is 48-bit and contains 6 octets. 3 octets reserved for OUI, termed as Organizational Unique Identifier, and the second octet is referred as NIC or Network Interface Controller. Okay, now we know that what is the purpose of NIC and MAC addresses. Okay, how to identify MAC addresses in our machine? I have taken Windows and Linux machines here to show you find the MAC address in the machine. Okay, first I have taken Windows machine and select here, right click and select network and internal settings and select the Wi-Fi network. Here I can click hardware properties and I can scroll down here and you can see the physical address. It is the MAC address of my machine. Okay. Okay. So this is one of the methods. Another method I'm going to show you using the command prompt. Click AMD and click hit. And put the command get MAC. It provides a list of MAC addresses available in my machine. So this is just to compare the physical address of this machine, because here you can see only one MAC, but you can see here there are 5 MAC addresses. The first is it's early code. The second one is based on Wi-Fi, and these two are VMware. Okay, let's discuss about it later on. Then, so now you know that how to access MAC addresses using Windows, both graphical and command prompt. One more command or one more way we can access, that is called PowerShell. And you can set the command get hyphen net adapter. So you can see the MAC addresses available in the system. It is same as like the command prompt that we showed just before. Okay, now we move on to Linux machine. So we know how to access, how to find MAC addresses in Windows in 3 ways: using PowerShell and command prompt, and another one is graphical user interface. One more, so many ways is there we have, but I have taken the important or very easiest way to access MAC address. Next, I move into Linux machine. Here I select network right click and select this wired, click the wired setting, and click the settings here, and you can see the MAC address and the physical address or hardware address. So you can see that 00, this is the physical address or MAC address or hardware address of this machine. Another way we can use using terminal, the command line mode in Linux machine, and you can put the command IP address, so you can see the interfaces available in the machine. This is the virtual machine. So it has two interfaces. First one is loopback and another one is Ethernet. So this is the MAC address of the loopback interface. It is a loopback, MAC address of Ethernet. So if you want to know the specific IP, sorry, MAC address of a machine, just to put the command and end with the interface name with 0 and click enter. You can see the exact MAC address for specific interface. Okay, so just to verify this one, two things with the previous graphical user method, both are good. Okay, now you know how to find MAC address in Windows and Linux environment. The next thing is we are going to learn about how to find the information from the MAC addresses. Here you go to Google search MAC address lookup, MAC lookup. Here you can check here 0006. Just to type it. So, okay, not problem. Just to move to Windows machine first. We will get from there. I select this IP MAC address and copy this and I paste here and put search. It shows the vendor details. It is a Intel Corporation. So this is Intel based. So the market belongs to Intel Corporation. Okay. So how to find this one? Here you can see the physical address in Windows machine, and here you can see it starts with 00 and 00. How to find the MAC address and which company it belongs? Just to search, go. You want to investigate. I Google Mac lookup. I That one is not there. So you can see here, this is the standard OUI.org. Here you can see the starting number of OUI are already specific in unique identification and which MAC address is belongs to which company. Here you can see search 00 hyphen 0 0 3 hyphen the next exactly we will get 29. So this is the VMware because the machine is installed in VMware workstation. That's why it shows the MAC address of the machine. Okay. So now we understand about what is MAC address, what is the purpose of MAC address in IT infrastructure, how what is the use of MAC addresses, its structure, finding the MAC address in Windows Linux machine, and investigate to extract details from the MAC. Okay. Thank you, viewers.